watching my YouTube video for the week. It's Abby's Reality and we are in London. We are spending the weekend in Putney and today we're in Richmond. So Thomas, Sarah and I are on our adventures.
Oh, 7. It's always been 7.
Was it?
How can I choose? Can't.
Oh, now you're going to show people how much I can't wait. Look.
Where have you been? Where do you come from? It's been years, man.
I know it has. I'm back for 2 days. 3.
And then
today,
Friday.
tomorrow, Friday.
And then after?
Then I'm in London.
Oh my God. Up for how long?
A week. Then I'm back proper. And we're going to be doing another challenge, right, Junior?
Yes, we're back.
But properly.
Yeah, but not this thing of you cheating.
I don't cheat.
You cheat.
Oh, what did I do last time?
You're supposed to do us.
Is this the no meat thing again?
Let me think. Let me remember. No meat. And you kept eating meat every day. You ruined our challenge.
Okay, but seriously, we're doing a wellness thing, eh?
Yeah.
A proper one where people come and they train you.
Okay, now let's train. I'm talking too much. Abs, that's not what I showed you.
What?
That's not the exercise you did. Ah, yeah. Come on.
What are you doing?
Alternating your feet. And then both feet. Yeah, straight legs.
Straight?
Yeah, both legs straight. Then pull one leg.
Like
Yes.
So I don't have to do it again now, though?
You have to. Both. Yes, that's one. So now you're starting afresh.
Yeah, I still look skinny, or do I look like a
Guitar.
guitar?
D.
Where's your guitar?
Daddy.
It's down there, yeah. Are you gonna play your guitar for mommy? Okay, let me hear you play.
No.
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 No. You guys, like, you wouldn't know unless you lived here. So I don't know how you. I am at Mo's Crib Warehouse Sale in Belito, and look behind me. There is so many beautiful things to buy, and up to 75% off. I am going to take you inside, and we can do a bit of shopping. And yeah, see you from the 1st to the 4th of May. I love this, so cute. These are just beautiful, absolutely love these. This is like the basket that I have, and this is a banana bar, which I see that there's not a lot left of, but absolutely love this. And then for the beach, these bags are just so cute. I love a bag, as you guys know. Which one? Oh, so beautiful. And then maybe a photo. board. I have my travel wallet that Dakota says is hideous, but I always have BioPlus and Barocca on me and rehydrate. Does not always have perfume on me. Chanel Coco Noir. My Prada sunglasses that are my Bulin pouch that has jewelry and body lotion, which tooth flosses, which was this is an essential for me. I call the pouch. I need lip liner, lip gloss, and lipstick. Or moisturizer. Earplugs, essential for me. My Sir Life tablets, painkillers, power bank, my eye mask, my compression socks, more painkillers, Immune, a vegan bar, lip balm, lip therapy mix. I've got another power bank, cute cases that I keep all my cables in. I've got 2 of these eyelash brushes, my actual handbag, my card holder, which is another card holder that's got just for cash. I've got Forex, a mirror, a pair of sunglasses, my specs, another lipstick, a strap for my phone, an Urbanol. Got my AirPod case, that's what's in my bag for a long haul flight. I do have quite a lot of stuff, but it's like all essential stuff. Yeah, enjoy, I'll see you in the morning. Sarah, you're gonna be the main VIP of this vlog. Woo! Thank you. Cheers. Thank you so much, Sarah. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you often just need to have somebody. Oh no. Ew. Library, cute. Yeah, but still. Sarah, look here. Nicole's gonna be so jealous. Sarah. We have decided to do a morning of walking. Where did we walk?
We started in Richmond and we've walked along the Richmond Riverside.
yeah, and it's been so nice, very unexpected, but exactly what we needed. And now we have stopped to have lunch, and these are our outfits. Active girls. Okay. Mwah. To bed hungry. Yeah. Then they don't want us to eat. No. And burn some more calories. Really, I put on since the wedding week. Hey guys, this is my outfit. Tap with more. This is our outfit, and I'm. Oh, so in my eyes. We are going for dinner at Nicole's house, and it's me and Sarah. Catching the bus now. I got this cute little top from TK Maxx this afternoon. Sarah and I went shopping, and then this is just my normal Primark jacket, and then skirts. People love a mini here.
But I got promoted at work.
Hi to Abby's fans. This is Nix DC from London, wearing cute little ballet pumps with these khaki color pants, a cute little white tee with a little scarf, and then cute little Chanel chain on. What is it? What is it called again? Anyway, whatever. Yeah. And then cute Kylie Jenner lip butter. Bye. Oh, blazer is just cute Zara This is Hermes, but this is fake. But it's still cute. I don't know if you want that in your story. No, I think we need to redo this.
Hi guys, this is my outfit for the day. I am wearing this skirt with a slit, a corset top, and then I'm wearing these like thigh-high boots, my Speedy, and then just this jacket that is very practical. Some jewels, and yeah, we just went for brunch.
Hi, this is Nix DC from London. Oh, must I go down? Oh, okay. Wearing these cute pumps from Zara with these
Love that. You can't really see. Oh geez.
A champagne made close to Brescia in the north of Italy.
Okay.
So they were under the French for centuries. So it's the finest bubble you find in Italy, Franciacorta.
Okay.
But 90% of the production of Franciacorta is consumed in Italy. 90% of it. So most of the market is drunk by Italians.
And the other 10%?
Is exported.
We are walking because our bus terminated us. It was terminated and it terminated us. So we are walking. And we've had such a lovely afternoon. We went charity shop hopping. Like, what is it? Like a pub crawl. Yeah, a pub crawl, but a charity crawl, basically. And then we were deciding whether to go to the Bluebird, and then we ended up going to this wonderful wine bar, and they were amazing. It was 2-for-1 drinks, so that was fab. And they had amazing focaccia and pasta, 10-pound pasta. So all in all, a fabulous Sunday. Thanks for watching my YouTube video for the week. It's Abby's Reality, and